Hi, I'm Yvonne DeSellis coming to you on Why Energy. This is a really quick attempt at doing a short, but I don't think it's going to be short enough. This is just yet another how to use Zoom to record something for video with a different background if you don't have a green screen. I'm on my Mac laptop. Zoom looks different on every different item you use. It looks different on the phone, it looks different on the iPad. But on Zoom, which is free, which I think you can get at zoom.us, that's ZOOM.us. .com might work too. I'm not positive, but you'll want to get Zoom and you'll want to either log in or sign up to a new account, which is also free. And then when you go into Zoom, you do a new meeting and you have to make sure you start your recording. I'm trying to find where it says start recording. I can't find it right now since it's probably already started recording. But you can then go and choose what you want your background effect to be. Also, background changes to what the options are, what they call it. But on my Mac, it says choose virtual background. And I chose this one. By the way, I'm moving my hand. And as you can see, it's disappearing as I move it. That's because this background is fake. But I love the fact that I can do these backgrounds. I think it looks a lot better than the room behind me. So doing these backgrounds is awesome. And there's a lot of different choices. When you're done, you have to stop the recording and end the meeting. And then you just have to give Zoom a couple of minutes to reconfigure your file into, I believe, an MP4. And on the Mac laptop, it puts it in a folder called Documents, which is shared. And then within the Documents folder is a Zoom folder. I believe you can also have it saved to the Zoom cloud, but I think that that's not free. I don't know. I believe it's free for like a year, and then there's a charge. But for people who are hoping to avoid having to pay, try to see if you can do it locally. I don't know where things are saved on the iPad or on the phone. I've been trying to find that out, and I'm not having much luck. But anyway, I'm going to hit end. It may keep recording after I do that, so I'll keep talking in case it does. But if not, thank you as always for your time, and I really do hope this is helpful for you. Take care of yourselves. Cheers. Let's see if this works. I think it's still recording because now on the bottom right, I see something that says end meeting for all or leave meeting. So I think what I'm going to do is say end meeting for all, and then I believe that actually up on the upper left, they have a pause recording and a stop recording. I'm going to actually hit stop recording and hope and pray that it reconfigures my file. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.